Hi students, good morning everybody. So today let us start our first supplementary after 20 years by O. Henry. So this is such an interesting story. Let us see about the author. So look at the author. O. Henry 1862 to 1910. That is he was born in 1862 and was died in 1910. He is a popular American short story writer whose original name is William Sidney Porter. Okay, so O. Henry's original name is William Sidney Porter. So he is a popular American short story writer. So he belongs to America. He is a popular American short story writer. His works romanticized the life of ordinary people in New York City. His stories are well known throughout the world. That is, his stories are famous throughout the world. They expressed the effect of coincidence on character and often had unexpected twist in the end. Okay, so all his stories expressed the effect of coincidence. Coincidence means something which is happening at the same time in an even manner. Okay, on coincidence on character and often had unexpected twist. Twist means changes. Okay, unexpected twist in the end. His stories are also noted for their witticism and clever wordplay. So what is mean by witticism means making a witty remark, making pun, not fun, making puns, making jokes like that. Okay, and a clever wordplay. So wordplay means also that is making a joke, making pun in the story likewise. O. Henry's prolific writing period began in 1902 in New York City, where he wrote 381 short stories. So prolific writing means writing many things. Okay, so a prolific writer means a writer who writes continuously, one who writes many things. Okay, he is called as a prolific writer. So his prolific writing period began in 1902 in New York City, where he wrote how many short stories? 381 short stories. He wrote one story a week for the New York World Sunday magazine for over a year. Okay, so for the magazine named New York World Sunday, so he wrote a story per a week. For how many years? For almost for a year. O. Henry's short story After 20 Years was first published in the Sunday edition of the New York World in 1905. Okay, so O. Henry's short story After 20 Years. So this story given to us is After 20 Years. So this was first published in the Sunday edition of the New York World in the year 1905. The story was included in the 1906 anthology The 4 Million. So what is mean by anthology is the collection of some written works like poems or stories or whatever it is. A collection of the written work is called as anthology. So in the anthology called The 4 Million. Okay, so after 20 years was published in included in the anthology called The 4 Million. Right. And it has since been republished in many short story collections, and also after including in the anthology called The 4 Million, it was republished in many collections of short story. Okay, a few of his other popular short stories are The Gift of the Maggie, The Cock and the Anthem, The Ransom of Red Chief, A Retrieved Reformation, and The Third Ingredient. Okay, so these are some of his other popular famous short stories. The Gift of the Maggie, The Cock and the Anthem, The Ransom of Red Chief, A Retrieved Reformation, and The Third Ingredient. Okay, so this is about the author O. Henry, right? So now let us get into the story After 20 Years by the author O. Henry, that is William Sidney Porter. Okay, let us see the warm-up part first. What do you expect your close friends to do for you? Beautify the petals with your thoughts. Okay, so what do you expect your close friends to do for you? So what will you expect from your close friends? See, for example, you may expect that you should have a good entertainment with your close friends. You may have games and funs and jokes with your close friends. Okay, likewise you have to fill all this petals. Okay, do it yourself. Next one, find out when the International Day of Friendship is celebrated. So find yourself what is the date on which we celebrate International Day of Friendship. How is the day celebrated? So how the day will be celebrated? So your friendship day means how it will be celebrated. Definitely it will be celebrated with lots of funs and games and entertainment, right? Next, we have heard of the proverb, familiarity breeds contempt. Do you think that the passage of time strengthens friendship? Share your reasons with your class. Okay, so we have heard about the proverb called familiarity breeds contempt. So தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவோம், பழக பழக பாலும் புளிக்கும் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So likewise, familiarity breeds contempt. Do you think that the passage of time strengthens friendship? So what is your opinion? So do you think that the passage of time means that is after many years, as the time passes, the strength of the friendship will increase? Do you think that the strength of the friendship will increase? Share your reasons with your class. Okay, so this is all a warm-up activity for us. So from this warm-up, what conclusion we can come to is, this lesson might be regarding some friendship, illaya? Because they have given about International Day of Friendship celebration. So they are asking how do you celebrate that day? Okay, how the passage of time strengthens the friendship they are asking, and also they have given us for a petal to be filled regarding the friendship. Okay, so we can come to an understanding that this lesson might be regarding friendship, right? So let us get into the lesson. Here is a story entitled After 20 Years, which is about two best friends who had to part ways. They returned to keep an appointment they had made 20 years ago. Read to find out what happens when they meet again. Okay, so here is a story entitled means that is, the title is given as After 20 Years, which is about two best friends who had to part ways. Means there are two best friends. Okay, so they had to part ways. It means they have, for some reason, they have to be separated. Okay, ஏதோ ஒரு ரீசனுக்காக அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, they are parting, அவங்க பிரிஞ்சு போகிறாங்க. They returned to keep an appointment they had made 20 years ago. Okay, so they are returning to keep an appointment which had been made before 20 years. 20 yearsக்கு முன்னாடி அவங்க ஒரு appointment fix பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Okay, so அதுக்காக they are about to return back. Read to find out what happens when they meet again. Okay, so let us read this story and let us find out what is happening when they are meeting again. Okay, so this is very interesting story, very thrilling and interesting story. So listen carefully to understand, right? The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. The impressiveness was habitual and not for show, for spectators were few. The time was barely 10 o'clock at night, but chilly gusts of wind with a taste of rain them had well nigh depeopled the streets, right? The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. Okay, so the policeman on the beat. Okay, so you can see in this picture a policeman on his beat. So that means, what is the meaning? A policeman is going for a rounds during a night time. On his beat abdina, a policeman is going for a rounds during the night time. Okay, so the policeman on the beat moved up the avenue. So where he is moving is in the avenue. Okay, avenue means in a wide street. Okay, in a path, in a wide street, in a road. Okay, impressively. So அவரோட வாக் எப்படி இருந்தது அப்படின்னா, எப்படி இருக்கும் போலீஸோட வாக்? அந்த ஷூ சவுண்ட்ஸோட ஒரு கெத்தா நம்ம இம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா? ஸோ லைக்வைஸ் த போலீஸ்மேன் ஆன் த பீட் மூவ்ட் அப் த அவென்யூ impressively. The impressiveness was habitual and not for show. For spectators were few. Okay, so the impressiveness was habitual. Habitual means, so and the impressiveness எப்படி இருந்தது? It is regular. So usually regularly he will be walking. So அவர் அப்படிதான் நடப்பாரு. It is not for the show. ஷோனா என்ன? ஒரு சீனுக்காக நடக்கல. Because for the spectators were very few. Okay, listen. Spectators அப்படின்னா viewers. நம்ம ஜென்ரலாக என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? யாராவது பார்க்குறாங்க நம்மளை அப்படின்னா அவங்கள இம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணணுங்கிறதுக்காக கொஞ்சம் கெத்தாக நடப்போம், கொஞ்சம் கெத்தாக பேசுவோம் இல்லையா? எதுக்காக? பிகாஸ் நிறைய பேர் நம்மளை பார்க்குறாங்க, நிறைய பேரோட அட்டென்ஷன் நம்ம மேலே இருக்குது அப்படின்னா நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கெத்தாக பிஹேவ் பண்ணுவோம், கெத்தாக பேசுறது, கெத்தாக நடக்கிறது. ஓகே, ஸோ லைக்வைஸ் வில் பி பிஹேவிங். பட் this policeman is not doing anything for scene, that is not for show, because அங்கே spectators, viewers, அவரை பார்க்குறவங்க எவ்வளோ? ரொம்ப very few, they were very few. யூஸ்வலாகவே the police will be அந்த மாதிரி தான் அவர் நடப்பார். It is an habit for him. Habitually he will be walking. So it is not for show, and also the spectators were only very few. Okay, the time was barely 10 o'clock at night. So what is the time is? It is 10 o'clock at the time is 10 o'clock at night. Okay, it is the time is 10 o'clock during the night, but chilly gusts of wind with a taste of rain them had well nigh depeopled the street. So இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்க டிஃபிகல்ட்டாக இருக்கும். I'll explain you, so listen carefully for understanding. Okay, so the time is 10 o'clock, but chilly gusts of wind. That means the wind is very chill. Okay, the wind is blowing very chilly, ரொம்ப கூலா, கோல்டா. Okay, with a taste of rain them. Okay, so the wind is having a taste of rain. It means, okay, there are drizzles are falling. Drizzles na enna? சின்ன குட்டி குட்டியாக தூரல் விழும் இல்லையா? வெரி மைன்யூட் ட்ரிஸ்லிங் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? தூரல் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் drizzle. Okay, the why the wind is chill means because there is little drizzling. It is little drizzling had well nigh depeopled the street. So nigh means almost. Okay, almost depeopled the streets. Depeopled means all the peoples were they were going home very fastly. Okay, எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க? ஆல்ரெடி depeopled past tenseல இருக்கு இல்லையா? See, it is in past tense. So as it is raining, as it is drizzling, okay, so the people, everyone rushed back to their home. ஸ்ட்ரீட்ல யாருமே அதிகமா இல்லை. Okay, so the street is empty as it is drizzling, and also the time is 10 o'clock. Right? Can you understand? Okay. So what is said in this paragraph is the policeman is walking very impressively. So our impressive நடக்கிறது அவரோட regular habit. It is not for show, and also அங்கே நிறைய வியூவர்ஸ்லாம் அவரை பார்க்கறதுக்கு இல்லை. The time is 10 o'clock. It is slightly drizzling. As it is drizzling, the wind is very chill. Okay, and also as it is drizzling, the street is almost empty because people all went back to their home. This is what explained in this paragraph, right? Now let us go to the next paragraph. Trying doors as he went, twirling his club with many intricate and artful movements, turning now and then to cast his watchful eye adown the Pacific thoroughfare, the officer with his stalwart form and slight swagger made a fine picture of a guardian of the peace. See, this fully is a single sentence. இது எல்லாமே ஒரு single sentence. Trying doors as he went, twirling his club with many intricate and artful movements, turning now and then to cast his watchful eye adown the Pacific thoroughfare, the officer with his stalwart form and slight swagger made a fine picture of a guardian of the peace. So this is a single sentence. Let me explain. Okay. Trying doors as he went. So what the police trying doors as he went abdina, here he refers to the policeman. Okay, so trying doors, it means see in this picture the policeman is walking in the street. So street la nadandu porarna rendu side enna irukum, there will be shops, there will be home. Okay, there will be little shop, there will be big shop, there will be home, everything there will be in the street. So as he is walking in the street, what he is doing is he is checking whether all the door so he is checking whether all the doors were properly closed. Okay, that is the meaning for trying doors as he went. So that is, as he is walking in the street, he is checking whether all the doors are properly locked. Twirling his club with many intricate and artful movements. So twirling his club, it means, so club abdina, there will be a stick in his hand, a latti. Okay, so what he is doing is he is twirling it abdina, he is spinning it, suttite இப்படி கையில் வச்சுட்டு இப்படி ஆட்டிட்டே சுத்திட்டே போவாங்க இல்லையா, that is twirling. Okay, spinning, twisting. Okay, his club with many intricate. Okay, intricate abdina, listen, what is the meaning of intricate means, இப்போ intricate carvings, இது for example நான் இது சொல்கிறேன், listen, intricate carving அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோன்னா intricate carving. Okay, so carving அப்படின்னாலே செதுக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, so imagine ஒரு statue, a sculptor is carving a statue. Okay, so ஒரு சிலையை ஒரு சிற்பி வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, செதுக்கிறாரு. ஓகே, ஒரு எதை சிலையாக செதுக்குவாங்க, ஒரு பெரிய ராக் ஆர் ஒரு பிக் ஸ்டோன் இல்லையா. ஸோ அதில் த இன்ட்ரிகேட் கார்விங் அப்படின்னா இமேஜின் தட் அதில் பண்ணுற டிசைன்ஸ் எல்லாம், இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ ஆர் ஒரு ஸ்டாச்சுக்கு செய்கிற அதோட ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங், அதோட ஜுவல்லரி, அதெல்லாம் எப்படி பண்ணணும், ரொம்ப மைன்யூட், அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டட் ஒர்க்காக இருக்கும் இல்லையா. ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட், அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப மைன்யூட்டாக பண்ணணும் இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் இன்ட்ரிகேட் கார்விங், எ காம்ப்ளிகேட்டட் ஒர்க். ஓகே, ஸோ லைக்வைஸ் what the policeman is doing here is he is twisting the club, that is the lathi in his hand. ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி ரொம்ப காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடாக அதை கையில் சுற்றிட்டே போகிறாரு, எப்படி அதை சுற்றுறாருங்கிறதே புரியல. ஓகே, லைக்வைஸ் he is twirling the club stick, that is lathi in his hand with many artful movements. அது ஏதோ ஒரு டிசைனாக அப்படி சுற்றுறாரு. ஓகே, nobody can understand how he is doing that. Turning, and also what he is doing is turning now and then to cast his watchful eye. Okay, and also what he is doing is he is turning his eyes now and then. Okay, கண்ணை என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, இந்த பக்கமும் அந்த பக்கமும் பார்த்துக்கிட்டே போகிறாரு. டேர்னிங் நவ் அண்ட் தென் டு காஸ்ட் ஹிஸ் வாட்ச்ஃபுல் ஐஸ். டு காஸ்ட் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் டு செக் ஆர் தட் இஸ் ஹீ ஸ்ப்ரெட்டிங் அவுட் ஹிஸ் ஐஸ். ஓகே, அப்படியே கண் அப்படி பார்த்துட்டே போகிறாரு. ஹீ ஸ்ப்ரெட்டிங் அவுட் ஹிஸ் ஐஸ் watchful eyes adorn the Pacific thoroughfare. So what is the meaning of Pacific thoroughfare means? Okay, so in the main road or in the street, that is called as thoroughfare. So Pacific thoroughfare means the long part of the street, okay, the long part of the road, the long part of the street, okay, that is called as Pacific thoroughfare. Okay, so what he is doing is, by twisting and spinning the club in his lathi in his hand very artfully, okay, he is turning his eyes, he is spreading out his eyes in all the directions throughout the street and also through the houses and in the shops. In the way he is watching everything very carefully, the officer, okay, so the police officer is doing all this with his stalwart form. Stalwart form abdina, he is physically very strong, okay, and slight swagger. So swagger means with a confident walk, okay, so he is walking very confidently, made a fine picture of the guardian of the peace. Okay, so அவரை பார்க்கும்போதே நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும், he is a fine picture. So definitely everyone will get the confidence that he is a perfect policeman. அவர் இருக்கிற இடத்துல definitely there will be peace, okay, there will be calm, nothing wrong will happen. Okay, such a confident he is, such a strength, such strong he is, okay, both physically and mentally. Okay, so definitely there will be no problem in that place. Okay, next, the vicinity was one that kept yearly hours. Okay, so what is mean by vicinity means the neighborhood. Okay, the neighborhood was one that kept yearly hours. Okay, and the area, okay, which area? The area in which the policeman is walking now. Okay, that area will be very active in the early morning. Early morning la that area will be very active, because there will be many persons coming and going for business purpose. Okay, market ku and the purchase ku poradhu early morning hours la and the madri, that area will be very busy in the early hours. Early hours means in the early morning. Now and then you might see the lights of a cigar store or of an all-night lunch counter, but the majority of the doors belonged to business places that had long since been closed. Okay, now and then, so now and then means here and there you might see the lights of a cigar store. Okay, you know what is mean by cigar? In the old films la nama paathirupom illaya, that villain or the hero will be keeping a cigarette like thing, that there will be always smoking, that adu vaayila vechi eppovume smoke pannite irupanga illaya. You might have seen in the old movies. Okay, that is called as cigar. So here and there we can see the cigar store, that means cigar shop, or of an all night lunch counter. Okay, so in the night la lunch food provide பண்ற stalls எல்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. Okay, so here and there we can see some cigar store and some food corners, but the majority of the doors belonged to business places. Okay, but on the street la in that area majority of the shops belonged to business purpose that had long since been closed. Okay, so அதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, ரொம்ப நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடியே they have closed that. Why? Because that will be active in the early morning times. Can you understand? Okay, so this is what said in the second paragraph, that is the policeman is very much confident. Okay, he is checking everything thoroughly in the street. So kandipa அவர் இருக்கிற பிளேஸ்ல no wrong thing will happen. Okay, so that area will be very busy in the early morning time, and also as the policeman is walking he can see here and there some cigar stores and some food corners, night food corners, but majority of the shops belonged to business purpose that were closed before a long time, because that will be active only in the that is only from the early morning hours. Okay, this is what said in this paragraph. Now let us go to the next paragraph. When about midway of a certain block, the policeman suddenly slowed his walk. In the doorway of a darkened hardware store, a man leaned with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quickly. Okay, so listen. When about midway of a certain block, the policeman suddenly slowed his walk. When he was walking in the midway na நடந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது பாதியில of a certain block in some certain place, the policeman suddenly slowed his walk. So suddenly he is reducing his walking speed in the doorway of a darkened hardware store. Okay, what is mean by hardware store means in the shops where the electrical goods and the tools, equipments, metals and the iron related things இதெல்லாம் விப்பாங்க இல்லையா, that is called as hardware store. Okay, so why he is reducing his walking speed means because suddenly in a place near the door of a hardware store, he can see a man leaning with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. Okay, so a man leaned means what is that a man leaned with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. Okay, leaned means a man leaned means what is that, அப்படி சாஞ்சு நின்னுட்டு இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, that is called as leaning with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. So he is keeping a unlighted cigar in his mouth. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quickly. So after seeing that man, the police is walking near to him. Okay, so as the police is walking near to him, that man spoke up quickly. அவர் ஏதோ அவசரமா ஏதோ பேசுறாரு. Who? The person who is leaning in a shop. Okay, it's all right, officer, he said reassuringly. So what is mean by reassuringly means making someone to feel less doubt. Okay, so making someone to feel less doubt. Okay, so நம்மளே என்ன பண்ணுவோம், if we are doing something, ஏதோ ஒரு பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா, if someone is coming closer to us, அவங்களே வந்து நம்மக்கிட்ட ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி டக்குன்னு நம்மளே ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆன்சர் சொல்லிடுவோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க எதுவும் நம்மளை கேட்க மாட்டாங்கிறதுக்காக to escape from them. Okay, so likewise that man is telling to the police officer, it's all right, officer, he said reassuringly, I am just waiting for a friend. So why I am waiting here is I am just waiting for a friend. It's an appointment made 20 years ago. I have made an appointment with my friend when before 20 years. Okay, so I am waiting for my friend. He is telling to whom? That person is telling to the police officer. Sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Okay, what that person is telling is sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Okay, இது கேட்கறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு, இது மேபி it may be jokeful or it may be funny. இது கேட்கறதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஃபன்னியாக இருக்கலாம் இல்லையா, பிகாஸ் 20 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு பண்ண ஒரு அப்பாயின்மெண்ட்காக ஐ எம் வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது உங்களுக்கு கேட்குறதுக்கு மேபி இட் மே பி ஃபன்னி. வெல், ஐ வில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் இஃப் யூ வுட் லைக் டு மேக் சர்டன் இட் இஸ் ஆல் ரைட். ஓகே, ஐ வில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் யூ about that. Long ago there used to be a restaurant where the store stands. Okay, so before 20 years, okay, இப்போ இந்த ஸ்டோர் இருக்கிற இடத்துல, அந்த ஷாப் இருக்கிற இடத்துல there was a restaurant. Okay, so the name of that restaurant is Big Joe Brady's restaurant. So who is telling to whom? That person is telling to the police officer. Okay, before I am waiting for my friend because we made an appointment before 20 years. Okay, so before 20 years there was a restaurant here. The name of that restaurant is called as Big Joe Brady's restaurant. Until 5 years ago, said the policeman, it was torn down then. Okay, so what happened is before 5 years. Okay, so before 5 years, said the policeman, it was torn down then. So torn down means it is a phrasal verb. Torn down is a phrasal verb. The meaning is demolished. Demolished means destroyed. Okay. So 5 yearsக்கு முன்னாடி வரைக்கும் இந்த பிக் ஜோ பிராடர்ஸ் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் இந்த இடத்துல இருந்தது. Now that was demolished. Okay, and they had built this store. So before 20 years I made an appointment with my friend that we will meet in this restaurant after 20 years. Okay, so that's why I am waiting for my friend. The man is explaining to the police officer. The man in the doorway struck a match and lit his cigar. So after telling that, what that man is doing is, doorway அப்படின்னா அந்த doorway பக்கத்தில், அந்த டோருக்கு பக்கத்தில் ஒரு டோர் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுற வேக்கு பக்கத்தில் நின்றுட்டு இருக்காரு. ஓகே, ஸோ the man in the doorway struck a match and lit his cigar. Lit means past tense of light. Lightனா என்ன சொல்கிறது? Okay, so he is lighting his cigar. The light showed a, அந்த லைட்டர் ஒன்று வச்சுருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த சிகரெட் அந்த சிகார்லாம் லைட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அதை ஸ்மோக் பண்ணும்போது யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ த லைட் ஷோடிய, அந்த லைட்டில், அந்த லைட்டரோட லைட்டில் த லைட் ஷோடிய pale square jawed face with keen eyes and a little white scar near his right eyebrow. Okay, so in that light the policeman was able to see the face of that person. So how is his face is, his face was looking pale, square jawed face with keen eyes. Keen eyes அப்படின்னா எதையாவது அப்படியே உத்து பார்க்குற மாதிரியான eyes, that is called as keen eyes, and a little white scar near his right eyebrow. Okay, so scar means after getting an injury we will be getting a scar. That is called as scar. You can see in the picture also. There is a scar. Sorry. See in this picture. So there is a scar near his right eyebrow. Right. Okay. So the light showed a pale square-jawed face with keen eyes and a little white scar near his right eyebrow. His scarf pin was a large diamond oddly set. Okay, so scarf pin அப்படின்னா scarf pin means அந்த டை கட்டியிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த நாட், அந்த டையோட நாட் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு it was pinned with a diamond. Okay, it was pinned with a, his tie knot was pinned with a diamond oddly set. Oddly set means very strangely set or set in a different style, fixed in a or a different style, that is called as oddly set. Okay, so after explaining all this to the policeman, that man is lighting his cigar. So in that cigar light the policeman was able to see the face of that person. So his face is pale and his eyes were keen, and he was there is a scar above his right eyebrow, and his tie was pinned with a large diamond. Okay, 20 years ago tonight, said the man. So again that man is speaking. I dined here at Big Joe Brady's with Jimmy Wells, my best chum and the finest chap in the world. So what that man is telling is, before 20 years ago, so 20 years ago tonight. So in the night time before 20 years I dined here. So நான் என் ஃப்ரெண்டு கூட இங்கே டின்னர் சாப்பிட்டேன். Where? In the Big Joe Bradders with my friend. What is the name of his friend? Jimmy Wells. My best chum. Chum means best friend, a close friend. That is the meaning of chum. And the finest chap in the world. And he is the fine person, one of the finest person in the world. He and I were raised here in New York just like two brothers together. Okay, so myself and my friend were grown in the New York City just like two brothers together. So always we will be very close. I was 18 and Jimmy was 20. இது எப்போ? Before 20 years அவங்களோட ஏஜ். Whose age was 18? This man's age was 18 and his friend Jimmy's age was 20. Can you understand? So what that man is explaining to the police is, before 20 years in a night time, myself and my friend had dinner in this Big Joe Brady's restaurant. So அந்த Big Joe Brady's restaurant வந்து 5 years முன்னாடி வரைக்கும் அந்த இடத்துல தான் இருந்தது. இப்போ தான் அதை இடிச்சிட்டு என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, வேறு ஏதோ ஒரு ஸ்டோர் கட்டிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ we had dined here. He is one of my close friend and one of the finest person in the world. நானும் அவனும் இந்த நியூயார்க் சிட்டியில் we grown like two brothers. Always we will be together. So my friends, my age was 18 and my friend's age was 20. The next morning, I was to start for So the next morning I was to start for the west to make my fortune. Okay, so what happened? So the next day morning, after meeting and after having a dinner in this restaurant, the next day morning, okay, so I was to start for the west. That is, I have to go for some other country to make my fortune. That is, for some business purpose I went to a far off place to some other country. You could not have dragged Jimmy out of New York. He thought it was the only place on earth. But Jimmy Wells இந்த நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், நான் வேற பிளேஸ்க்கு போயிட்டேன் for business purpose and for earning money. But Jimmy Well will not go out of the New York City. அவன் நியூயார்க்லேருந்து கண்டிப்பாக வேறு எங்கேயும் போயிருக்க மாட்டான். Because he thought it was the only best place on the earth. Because according to him, New York is the best place in this earth. Okay, well, we agreed that night. Which night? That night when they had a dinner in the Big Joe Brady's restaurant. Okay, we agreed that night that we would meet here again exactly 20 years from the date and time, no matter what our conditions might be or from what distance we might have to come. So at that time we have made an agreement that after 20 years we should meet in this on that same date and the time in that same place, no matter whatever conditions might be. நம்ம என்ன கண்டிஷனில் இருந்தாலும், from what distance we might have to come, எவ்வளோ தூரத்தில் இருந்து வந்தாலும், that's not a matter. So we have to meet in the same place, in the same time, in the same date after 20 years. That was the agreement between me and my friend Jimmy Wells. We figured that the 20 years each of us ought to have our destiny worked out and our fortunes made, whatever they were going to be. Okay, so we figured that in 20 years each of us ought to have our destiny worked out and our fortunes made, whatever they were going to be. So we found out that, or we understood that after 20 years our destiny worked out. So நம்மளோட aim எல்லாம் we might have worked out everything, and our fortunes means lucks, or the money we have earned, our luck or money they have earned, whatever they were going to be, எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் whatever happens after 20 years we have to meet in the same place in the at the same time. So this was the agreement made between me and my friend before 20 years, and that's why I am waiting in this place. Who is telling to whom? The man who is waiting, for whom he is waiting, he is waiting for his friend Jimmy Wells. Okay, so the man who is waiting there is explaining everything to the policeman who is going for a walk, that is, who is going for a rounds during the night time. Okay, so I think every one of you have understood. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.